Is your money stuck in Coinbase Wallet? Are you seeing that frustrating red message saying you need to add BNB or Ethereum or Avalanche coin before you can complete your transaction? Don't worry, you are not alone. Thousands of people are stuck right now because of one simple reason: they don't have the right network fees in their wallet. But guess what? In the next 2 minutes, I will show you the quickest way to fix this and get your funds moving again. When you try to send your USDT or any token from Coinbase Wallet and it says you need to add Ethereum, add BNB or add AVAX. That's because each blockchain requires its own gas token to process the transaction. For example, Ethereum network needs Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain network needs BNB, and Avalanche needs AVAX coin. Even if you have zero point 0.5 USDT or 1 million USDT, you cannot proceed ahead without adding your network fees. So to fix this issue, simply go on your Binance application and there must be some USDT in your Binance account so that you can buy the coin required in the wallet. In my case, there is requirement of Ethereum coin. So firstly, I need to buy some quantity of Ethereum coin and you need to buy the particular coin according to your requirement. Here most of the viewers ask a simple question: how much the quantity of the coin is needed to cover the network fees? So there's not a fixed quantity for a single transaction because it depends on multiple factors. That if the network is busy, then the network fees will be high, and if the network is not busy, then your network fees will be lower. Further, it also depends on network. Like in my case, there is requirement of Ethereum on Optimism network, so the deduction will be small. And in case of Ethereum required on Ethereum network, there will be more deduction of the network fees per transaction. But now the question is, what to do next after buying the required coin? Now you need to transfer the coin from your Binance application or from your crypto exchange to your Coinbase wallet so that you can withdraw your assets from your Coinbase wallet. So to transfer the network fees, simply go on your Coinbase wallet and click on the search icon. Here you can simply search Ethereum coin and click on this one with the small Optimism OP sign on it. Now you can see a deposit address here. Simply copy it and go on your Binance application or on the crypto exchange where you have bought the coins to cover the network fees. Now simply click on send, then choose the second option, on chain withdraw, and select the currency which you want to withdraw. After selecting the coin, first of all simply paste the address that you have copied from your Coinbase wallet. Make sure you have copied the same address of the token which you want to deposit. After pasting the address, then simply choose the network. It may also differ in your case. In my case, there is requirement of Ethereum on Optimism network, so I simply choose OP mainnet, then enter the amount and simply click on withdraw. After some time, you will receive your amount on your Coinbase wallet. It may take some time, like 2 to 3 minutes. And before my transaction complete, I want to share, if you are still confused or worried you will lose money by using the wrong network, or maybe you simply don't want the headache, then let us help you. I offer premium withdrawal service for Coinbase Wallet users who are stuck. We have helped hundreds of clients, whether your crypto came from a job, trading group, company, or airdrop, or from any other source. If your funds are stuck, we handle everything for you, from gas fees to final withdrawal. Contact details are in the description, or just comment help me and we will get in touch. And now I have opened my Coinbase wallet and you can see that my deposit is completed and I have received my Ethereum coins on my Coinbase wallet. And now you can see whenever I click on send, there is no any pop-up or red message saying you need to add Ethereum or BNB or any other network fees. So in this simple way, you can also fix your issue. And if you also don't know how to withdraw your assets from Coinbase wallet to Binance after adding network fees, then you can check out this video to get the complete tutorial about it. I will also mention the link in the description. And if this video helped you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel, because my next video is about how you can cash out your assets directly from your Coinbase wallet to your bank account. So make sure to subscribe to get notified about the new video.